let's talk about vocabulary now. So earlier I have made different type of videos to help you improve in your IELTS self-pip examinations or in your routine day-to-day conversations. So today I'm going to talk about vocabulary videos, and this is particularly about vocabulary for food. Now what I have observed, whenever I'm going to talk about food with any of the student, right, if it is any question in speaking, so they generally have one word in their mind: the food was good, it was tasty, right? Apart from good or tasty, they have nothing else in their mind and they get blank. So I have decided to start sharing these vocabulary words with you so that you look like quite sophisticated and well versed with these vocabulary words, and obviously you will be getting good scores if you are going to appear for your IELTS examination, self-pip examination, and in fact if you are going to have a conversation with anybody and you're gonna use these vocabulary words, obviously that person would feel that you know English quite nicely. Okay, so let's talk about the food related vocabulary words. Apart from that, I'll be making many more videos now related to the same. Okay, so today we have like vocabulary for food. So don't say it was tasty. I had a good lunch today. The dinner was tasty. So not at all say. Somehow this is okay, you can say, right? But good is something that must be avoided. Okay, what else you can say? So the very first we have is mouth watering. Mouth watering is something you have in front of you and it's like you feel like having it. You have that water in your mouth. This is mouth watering. Might be mouth watering cake. My mother prepares mouth watering dishes. So mouth watering, something which is really delicious. So don't say good, don't say tasty, say it was mouth watering. Okay, then delicious. Delicious is again a commonly used word, but not as common as good. Okay, so we would better say delicious. Okay, I had a delicious what? Pasta, breakfast, anything, right? Noodles. Then we have palatable. Palatable is again something which was delicious, which was tasty, good food. So instead of good food, you would say palatable. Then we have appetizing. Appetizing is something when you have a look at that food item, okay, when you have a look at that eatable, you start feeling hungry, and in fact your hunger multiplies and you can't wait to gobble it up quickly. So that's appetizing. Then we have tempting. Tempting, something that looks really beautiful, really attractive, something eatable, right? That is really attractive and you just want to go grab it quickly. Generally when you see the advertisements, when you are roaming around in the market, so there are so many, you know, graphical presentations, so many pictures, advertisements. So when you look at these pictures, you feel like, okay, I would like to have this burger quickly. I can't wait it anymore. So this is tempting. Okay, it's tempting. Then we have flavorful, delicious. So mouth-watering, delicious, palatable, appetizing, tempting, flavorful. Then we have finger licking. Okay, generally like my mom makes rajma rice. So this rajma rice is finger licking. Then flavorous. Ice creams. I love to have flavorous ice creams. Then ambrosial. Ambrosial, heavenly, divine. So these three are the vocabulary words that can be used for something that has an amazing taste, that has an overwhelming taste. When you are eating up something and when you are feeling like, okay, this is the kind of food that I have never tasted in my life yet. So something having an overwhelming taste, something which is like make you feel heavenly. So that is ambrosial, heavenly and divine. Then we have superb. Superb is again something which is really delicious. Then you have delectable, then scrumptious and exquisite. Okay, so make sure now from today onwards start using these 15 vocabulary words instead of using good food, good. Okay, so the breakfast was good, noodles were good, I had a good cake today, you made good food. Okay, so don't say good. So you have these vocabulary words to speak. So start learning these vocabulary words and start using it in your day-to-day life so that you'll start using quite confidently in front of the examiner as well. If you still have any doubt related to any vocabulary word, you can write down the comment section. And if you like this video, do like it, share it with your friends and keep learning with me. All the best.